Have you ever wondered what makes Amish soap so different? You see a simple hand-cut bar, no flashy promises, just pure honest cleanliness. The secret isn't in a lab or a marketing pitch, but in the quiet rhythm of farm life and a respect for nature's resources. Amish soap is about tradition, patience, and a method that stood the test of time. Let's pull back the curtain and discover why this humble bar is so special. Meet the Stoltzfus family, whose soap-making tradition stretches back generations. On their Amish farm, every family member has a role, and soap-making is a shared craft, not just a chore. Samuel, the patriarch, learned from his father, who learned from his, passing down skills through hands-on work. Their soap isn't just a product, it's a piece of their history, made with intention and care. Each bar tells a story of family, tradition, and purpose. When you hold their soap, you're holding a legacy. That's the true meaning of a legacy of lather. Life on the Stoltzfus farm begins well before the first rays of sunlight touch the fields. The world is still quiet, the air crisp, and the only sounds are the gentle stirrings of animals and the soft footsteps of the family as they rise to greet the day. Every chore, from feeding the cows and chickens to gathering fresh eggs in the dim barn light, is deeply connected to the land and the animals that call it home. These daily rituals are more than just work, they are a way of life, passed down through generations. The farm itself is a living pantry, overflowing with the bounty of each season. Herbs, vegetables, and livestock all play a vital role in the family's daily life, and each contributes something special to the art of soap making. The connection between the earth and the finished product is never lost. When a pig is butchered, every part is used with care and respect. The lard is slowly rendered in the farmhouse kitchen, filling the air with a sense of purpose. This precious fat becomes the base for their soap, ensuring that nothing from the animal is wasted and every resource is honored. Meanwhile, herbs like lavender and mint are carefully harvested from the garden, their scents filling the air. These are hung to dry in the old barn, preserving their natural fragrance for months to come. Each herb is chosen for its unique qualities, adding both aroma and gentle care to the soap. Every ingredient is homegrown, every process hands-on. From planting seeds in the spring to stirring the soap mixture by hand in the kitchen, the entire family works together, each step a testament to their dedication and tradition. This ongoing cycle of work, care, and attention to detail is what makes their soap truly authentic. Each bar is hand-cut, each batch unique, reflecting the love and labor poured into it. True quality comes from simple, honest ingredients nurtured from the very beginning, grown, gathered, and crafted with pride. On the Stoltzfus farm, every bar of soap tells the story of the land, the family, and the timeless values that shape their way of life. For the Amish, self-sufficiency isn't just practical, it's a core value. Making their own soap means control over ingredients and independence from outside systems. It's a statement of freedom and a way to reinforce community bonds. When one family has extra lard or herbs, they share, turning chores into communal events. Self-sufficiency is about resilience, mutual support, and living by your values. Every bar of soap is a lesson in hard work and resourcefulness. It's not about isolation, but about building a strong, interconnected community. That's the power behind every bar of Amish soap. So, how is Amish soap made? The process is a fascinating blend of old-world tradition and practical know-how, passed down through generations. Amish soap is renowned for its simplicity, purity, and the care that goes into every single bar. Let's walk through the steps that transform humble ingredients into a product cherished for its gentle touch and natural goodness. It all starts with just a few basic ingredients: rendered lard, lye, water, and sometimes a handful of herbs or a few drops of essential oils for fragrance. These are all natural, often sourced from the Amish farm itself, ensuring the soap is as wholesome as possible. The tools are simple and unpretentious, just a sturdy pot for mixing, a wooden spoon for stirring, a mold to shape the soap, and of course, safety gear like gloves and goggles. There's no need for fancy equipment. The focus is on quality and tradition. First, safety comes before anything else. Before you begin, put on your gloves and goggles. Lye is a powerful ingredient, and protecting your skin and eyes is essential. Next, carefully add lye to water, never the other way around, as this can cause a dangerous reaction. Stir gently and let the mixture cool. This step requires patience and respect for the process, as the lye solution is the foundation of your soap. While the lye cools, melt the rendered lard in your pot over gentle heat. Once both mixtures are ready, slowly combine the cooled lye solution with the melted lard, stirring steadily. This is where the transformation begins, as the two ingredients start to react and form the base of the soap. Stir patiently and consistently. Over time, the mixture will thicken, a stage called trace. This is when you know the soap is coming together, and it's a moment that requires a careful eye and a steady hand. At trace, you can add your chosen herbs or essential oils. These additions not only provide fragrance and color but also reflect the personal touch of the maker. Pour the thickened mixture into a mold, smoothing the top, and let it rest for a day or two to set. Once set, the soap is removed from the mold and cut into bars. But the process isn't finished yet. The bars are left to cure for several weeks, allowing them to harden and mellow, which improves their texture and longevity. There are no synthetic chemicals, no artificial colors, and no plastic packaging, just honest handmade soap crafted with care and respect for nature. The process is part science, part art, and all about patience. Each batch is a reflection of the maker's skill and dedication, and no two bars are ever exactly alike. Each bar is unique, shaped by the hands that made it, with subtle variations in color, texture, and scent. This individuality is what makes Amish soap so special. That's the beauty of the Amish method. Every bar tells a story of tradition, hard work, and a deep connection to the land. Simple, effective, and rooted in tradition, Amish soap is more than just a cleanser. It's a piece of heritage, lovingly made to nourish both body and spirit. What sets Amish soap apart? Its tradition, craftsmanship, and sustainability. Each bar is handmade, not mass-produced, with care poured into every step. The Amish use lard, a byproduct that might otherwise go to waste, making their soap eco-friendly. Packaging is minimal, often just paper or twine. The result? A gentle, moisturizing soap that cleans without harsh chemicals. It's a product of stewardship, not just consumption. Amish soap is more than a cleanser. It's a reflection of a thoughtful, sustainable way of life. That's what makes it a cut above the rest. Inspired? Maybe you're feeling a spark of curiosity or a longing to try something new with your own two hands. That's exactly how every journey into self-sufficiency begins, with a simple idea and a willingness to experiment. You can make your own soap, just like the Amish have done for generations. It's a tradition rooted in practicality, but also in creativity and care. With just a handful of simple ingredients, like lye, water, and oils, and a bit of patience, you can create something both useful and deeply personal. The process is straightforward, but the results are always unique to you. Customize your soap to suit your needs and preferences. Try olive oil for a gentle, vegan version, or add oatmeal for a soothing, exfoliating touch. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Or drizzle in a bit of honey for extra moisturizing benefits and a subtle, natural scent. Each ingredient you choose adds a personal touch, making every bar a reflection of your own creativity. Making soap is more than just a craft. It's a creative, empowering act of self-reliance. It's about taking control of what you use every day and learning a skill that connects you to generations past. It's about seeing potential in simple things and valuing thoughtful work. Whether you make soap, bake bread, or plant a garden, you're participating in a tradition of resourcefulness and care for your home and family. When you plant a garden or work together with loved ones, you're not just growing food, you're growing memories and skills that last a lifetime. These small acts build a foundation of resilience and joy. The Amish show us that true satisfaction comes from doing, not just buying. So gather your tools, set aside an afternoon, and give yourself permission to slow down and enjoy the process. Get your hands dirty, feel the textures, notice the scents, and take pride in each step. The act of making is just as rewarding as the finished product. You'll gain a new skill, a sense of accomplishment, and a deeper appreciation for the simple things that make life meaningful. That's the real secret behind Amish soap, and perhaps the secret to a life well lived. Finding joy in the everyday and pride in what you create with your own hands.